Hey Nico, what's up, man? I just wanted to put this quick video together for you and tell you thank you so freaking much, man. Um, what I've been able to do with the chatbots has been absolutely incredible, and your course has literally changed my business from just doing Facebook ads to now I'm like providing this new thing called chatbots, and it's just blowing up like crazy. Um, when I first stumbled across you, I think I met you somewhere on, I don't know, I saw one of your posts somewhere on Facebook, and I ended up clicking on profile and clicking on the other thing, and I ended up joining your group with the chatbots, and in there you provided so much value, and I was like, I didn't know anything about chatbots at that time. I was like, what is this stuff? Like, how is this really going to help my business? And anyways, I dug in, and you were just providing value and value and value with all the interviews you were doing with all these people, and it was incredible. And at that time, I was like, you were doing some special offer, and it was at the time a beta to join your course, and I was hesitant because I've joined other courses before, I've been through beta programs before, um, and also I was financially hurting at that time. I was like literally almost maxed out my credit card. I didn't even know if the payment would have went through if I did do it. So it was just a hard time in my life. But I was like, I think this is really going to set me apart from what other people are doing online. If I can learn how to do chatbots, it's also going to be like a foot in the door. So I just whipped out my credit card and I bought your course, and I just felt like all of a sudden, like, after I bought your course, I felt like this tremendous loss. I was like, oh my God, I just spent like almost $1,000 on Nico's course. Like, I gotta make this work. So anyways, I jumped in your course, didn't even feel like a beta course. Everything was like neatly organized. The content was freaking amazing. And anyways, I dug in. I think I went through the content and within like a day and a half, and I pretty much felt like I knew everything there needed to know about doing chatbots. So then I went out and I found my first client, which was a supplement store, and I ended up literally making them I made them $10,000 in 1 week with chatbots. That's how freaking amazing it was. And it wasn't with just one of their stores; it was with three of their stores because they were just blown away with like the results. And they were like, "I want you to do this with the other store and this store and this store." And it was like, "Holy cow, this stuff works!" I ended up getting them, like I said, like they ended up getting like each store, or the first store I did was like 150 leads the first week we tried it out. Then I copied and pasted the other stores. I tweaked some things, rewatched some of the videos in your course, and then it was like 500 leads for the other two stores. So combined, I got them like 1,200 leads in less than a week's time, and I literally made them $10,000 gross profit. That's after they take out all their margins and stuff. So it was absolutely amazing. They're blown away. Um, at the time of making this video, I am going to be sitting down in front of probably I think 30 or 40 or 50 store owners now because they all want to get involved and they all want to jump on the same thing. So it is it's not just like a mom and pop store. This is like a retail chain, which I had no idea when I showed up. I was like, I just want to try this out, like see if this works, and they like let me do it. And now they're like saying they want to like probably sign up like 130 stores. Anyways, man, I'm making this video because I just don't have time to like sit down and write like a thank you note. So I just wanted to make you a quick video real quick. Thank you so much for everything you've done. Your chatbot course is incredible, and I strongly recommend if anybody's hesitant with giving this a shot, you should definitely do it because this has changed my life. It's changed. I mean, I came from really struggling in debt to doing and I was like barely thought I could afford like to do this course, and then like I did it, and then I used the materials and all the training that he gave me, and I just made it happen, man. So Nico, thank you so much.